we're going to review the BLUEAIR 211 Plus. This is the auto mode. This has a smoke clean air delivery rate of 353 CFM, a dust clean air delivery rate of 347, and a pollen clean air delivery rate, otherwise known as CADR, of 380. It will also have the HEPA silent. So this is their unique filtration technology that delivers more clean air with less noise and less energy consumption. And that is one of the main key benefits of the BLUEAIR systems, that they will be using less energy and producing less noise. However, they're gonna be delivering a high level of air purification for your home. All you gotta do is plug and play. It is really, you just plug it into the wall. You're all set, and it comes with the personalized style because you can change the color of your pre-filter to whatever color you choose because they sell you additional colors. This might be, let's say you get a black one, you can get it in gray, dark blue, like an ocean blue. You can get it in light blue, you can get it in pink, you can get it in yellow. And they're most proud about being Energy Star certified. So let's take it out of the box. Let's see what the difference is between this guy and the BLUEAIR Pure 211 Plus without the auto. So right out of the box, you get some information on how to order new filters. They'll give you your instruction manual. They will also give you feedback on how to reach them. And here is your plug. Let's take out the top padding. This comes very well padded. Like the padding here is no joke. It is done very well. Let's take this out here. Let's stand this up properly. Let's do the big reveal. Here, this is what I'm talking about with your BLUEAIR systems. This entire top of the unit is going to be where the turbine is, and that turbine, it's easy to remove. All you got to do is pop it off, and this is what it looks like. The system up top looks like this, and the system here looks like kind of that fractal pattern for their exhaust ports. This is your filter. And this auto mode is quite interesting to me. And just remember, the entire bottom of your BLUEAIR is dedicated to air filtration. This is meant to remove 99.97% of particles up to a 0.3 micron size. This is the one that comes in the box. This is kind of like I guess this is like a cement color. Let's put it on. And this is how easy it is to change the color or make your BLUEAIR more friendly for your home decor. So if you like the white, you can keep the white, but you will have to be wiping that down regularly because it will get saturated with all the other items in your home, like pet hair and such. So let's close it. And these new pre-filters are a little bit different than previous generations that you might have been familiar with. You're going to be closing this with Velcro to make a tighter seal. So it's easier to install. Right, it's easier to install. It's not just going to be kind of this nylon pre-filter. This is going to be this is kind of like, it's very smooth and clean actually. I like it. It's very similar to what you would find on a speaker. So this is coming with a 38 watt motor, and the previous generation of the 211 came with a 60 watt motor. So this is a little bit of a departure in terms of the motor size of your BLUEAIR, but the clean air delivery rate is the same. The amount of square footage this can cover is the same, about 550 square feet. As you can see, this is what it looks like when it's all by itself. Super clean look. Now let's plug it in. Alright, so your BLUEAIR, this is what the top of your BLUEAIR will look like. And this means it's gonna be fan speed 1, fan speed 2, fan speed 3. But when all 3 are on, that indicates that you are gonna be on auto mode. So let's turn on, this means it's on auto mode, so it's gonna adjust this fan speed according to the quality of the air in the room it's in. So now it's on auto mode, so now you can really set it and forget it. You have your indicator light here. So this indicator light is gonna represent the air quality of the room it's in. So when you see this in kind of a dark orange or closer to red, that means the air quality is more polluted. Orange means moderate and blue means good, so that's good. When you have your filter replacements, when it's time to change your filter, all these lights will start turning, they will turn red about after 6 months of operation. And after you replace it, you want to press down the power button for 7 seconds to reset the filter replacement indicator. So now let's do a quick test. We're going to do this. This is on fan speed 1. This is on fan speed 2. Fan speed 2 here. So it's like a gentle breeze, and then fan speed 3. Now you really have this going, right? Let's turn it off. And if all the lights are on and you still feel the air, that's going to mean it's on night mode. So that's how you activate the night mode. And let's just put it back on auto mode right now. So you see that it is on auto mode. All right, so here we have the BLUEAIR 211 Plus versus the 211 Plus Auto. So this is the newer edition. It is coming with an indicator light here for your air quality. Here you don't get that, but you do get ease of use. You get one button that you get 1, 2, 3 lighted LED signs, lights here, as well as when there's additional light inside this panel, it's going to indicate when to change the filter. You also see that the menu buttons on the top are existing on your newer version, and on the previous generation, it does not. However, the fractal pattern of this top console, which houses the motor and the turbine and all the electronics, it's pretty much identical. Now, let's touch it in terms of smoothness. The 211, without the auto mode, it is a gloss finish here. Now, this newer version is a matte finish. That's one difference. Also, let's look at the insides. So let's pop them in. You can see that our button to remove it are more indented versus on the newer 211 Auto. You can see that the buttons are kind of laid flat. This is on your BLUEAIR 211 Plus, and let's take it off on the Auto. And we'll move this to the side. So let's indicate that the tops of these, you can see here, this is just a sticker we left on, but it's different. It's different, but exactly the same. So here, this one is going to be protruding a little bit more. This one is going to be a little bit more flat. It's very mild. You can't really tell the difference here. Secondly, let's look at the underbody here. You're going to be getting, you can see that the number of ports or number of holes here is going to be more than on your auto version. The auto version is coming with kind of a more simplified turbine design. And finally, if you look at the actual motor size, this is going to have a 61 watt 0.1 ampule motor inside. Here you're going to be getting a 38 watt 2 ampule motor here. All right, so now we're going to test out the actual sound levels. I'm just going to take out my phone, and we have our little free noise meter, level 1. About 26. Fan speed 2 on the BLUEAIR 211 without auto. about 36, 37. And in your 45 to 47 range for fan speed 3 here. So let's try it here as well. We can go to fan speed 1. Remember, this has a smaller motor than the previous generation. (17 to 19). Level 2. About 30 to 31. Level 3. (47 to 48). And remember, this phone is about 12 inches from the air purifiers, and my phone is about 12 inches from the actual camera. So you have about 2 feet from the directional mic to the BLUEAIR. All right, so let's talk about this BLUEAIR. What do I think about it? What's my verdict? Well, I think because of the looks, because of it's quieter, because it keeps the same power, it actually has more energy efficiency than its previous generation while keeping the same clean air delivery rate while still keeping that same 550 square feet coverage area. I think that is a tremendously amazing engineering. I believe that that's a really amazing engineering feat that BLUEAIR has accomplished here.